Nanginginig. Nanginginig siya.
Sak! Sak!
Ma.
Punta kami sa Manila. Sak, mama. Yes.
The mess is here. TV.
What's up, guys? Boing, boing, boing.
Ay, grabe.
Diba ni Tessha?
What's up, guys? Can you hold it?
We're in the elevator. It's moving. Okay, we're going down. We're going down. Giovanni's really scared. Hi. Okay, we reach our destination. So this is all the menus.
Hi, guys! Help me, mommy!
Annyeong! We are going to have a family trip. And this is my first video. Diba hungry? Papay? Hungry.
Kumain lang naman ako.
No, Papay. Papay. Sakto nandito tayo sa Papay. Pagkain. Kuya.
Wait.
Yummy, mommy.
Hot.
Alis mo yan.
Isa sila ng ano? Airplane screen sila. What's up, guys? We're in the airport. Mama, excited ka?
Nantok lang. Sabi ni Cyrus, excited na, nininervyos. Sa airplane, sabi niya.
Giovanni, ikaw excited ka? Excited? Opo. Ay. Where are you going? Sasakay ka airplane? Are you gonna ride airplane? Sakay ka na? Are you gonna ride airplane pa?
Your final gate assignment is gate number 1348.
Tuwang-tuwa na siya. Sakay ka na airplane?
Sakay na tayo?
Sakay ka na?
Tara na, punta na tayo kung si Babay. May airplane.
Papa, Daddy. Papa, Daddy. Daddy. Hello, Daddy. It's time. Huh? Peter? Hi, Dave.
Hi guys.
Ate.
Si Cyrus lang.
Wala mo lang.
We're boarding. May kinakabahan. Kabado siya.
Guys, we're already boarding the plane and I'm freaking out.
Don't shake it.
Guys, we're in the airplane. Oh my god, guys. We're gonna get ready because...
Ganda, nandito ka sa ano.
Oh, cover. Wait, I need to poop already. Oh my god.
Ito, picture ka. Picture
Look lang.
Picture ka. We're in the airplane!
Ay, wala silang touchscreen.
Nakakabahan si Cyrus.
Kala pag hindi pa naman boarding nila mama.
Oo. First family travel.
And I'm freaking out right now. Can we have the airplanes now? We're moving. What's up, guys? We already landed.
Doon tayo mag-grab.
What's up, everybody? So today I'm already here, our hotel room. So this is the room of the hotel. This is the other room from the other side. This is room 204, and then this other side, room 203. This is my room. This is my parents' room. Sick. The freak! Look at that! Look at our TV! It's a beautiful day! Ooh! Let's go! So we're going. We're going to the other.
I'll just
Turn on the lights.
This is the room that we booked at Rudhil's place. Shura. Yan ang gamit. Here's the cabinet. This is the bed. Looks nice. And it's really spacious. Okay. This outside. This is the door, the front door, and then this is the toilet. It's very spacious. Meron ding bidet. Very clean. May lavabo. Nice. We are in search for food. Kasi
Because
super
we're gonna
late na. We haven't eaten yet.
Yeah. It's already been 11.
Milk tea?
Oh, wait, milk tea.
Wala, lilipat kami ng airplane. Bumalik kami ng airplane.
Buy one. Ayan o. Grilled burger. Na chicken. Wait! Cyrus! Ito ating umura lang. 39 only.
Ito na tayo kain.
Naranaw platter. Ooh! Parang masarap yun. Halika muna, tingin muna tayo. Ayun, daming food stall. Teka. Halika muna ina, tingin muna tayo. Here, daming kainan. Rice bowls, roast. Hindi natin alam kung gaano karami yan. Halika na. Let's trip to shawarma. Doon ako.
Madami din.
Saan?
Yung kinakain ng blow.
Oh, mura. Ang mahal lang dito, pamasahe. Colors light, Donya Patata. Ganda, ang daming kainan. Malapit sa school yung nabook namin na accommodation. Ooh! Parang sarap naman dito. Pero sarado na sila.
Tapos yung loob, saka...
So,
Gusto mo to, alright?
spicy steamed rice. And then, sagapay.
Gusto mo too spicy, too original. Para matry mo lahat.
Wow, looks yummy. Parang homemade.
Homemade po yung siomay. Homemade? Homemade? Homemade.
Mukhang, oo, mukhang homemade.
Bili din tayo drink. Di water na lang ito. Di ko na nag-water kanina.
Parang libre yung water doon.
Oo,
May water
meron.
dispenser. Cyrus, dito ka lang.
Walang spicy, ano. Saka dalawang original.
Oh, sakto. Super mura ng mga kape, oh. Ang daming coffee shop. Siguro pag umaga, mas marami pa dito.